cable class K700 on rails. This is the power that he drives wherever you want, and it doesn't matter with what load. The K700 is converted from wheels to crawlers so it can drive anywhere across rivers and swamps while laying cables in trenches it digs itself. MAN TGS 41488 X8 BBWW off-road dump truck moves on quicksand roads. Where every car passing by had very deep ruts, some cars gave up and needed help from tow trucks. Testing the pulling force of two K700 and 1455 XL tractors. The original K700 is said to have around 260 horsepower, and in this video it's probably being used as a brake valve, not a rope puller. Heavy-duty trucks transport heavy transformers weighing over 800 tons. Bonnet GmbH is a leading integrated heavy and inland waterway transport. In the video, the company and special transport provider across Europe by road, sea is transporting a heavy forging machine from Germany to France. This Dahl S3H0GR2 can be used as a semi-trailer and also as a low-duty truck. The conversion can be done in almost no time. Therefore, this vehicle is perfectly suitable for civil and road engineering. Transported vehicles can be easily moved onto the trailer with a super strong slide and converter that only takes a few steps. Engineers are assembling the giant Caterpillar 994H. They are installing the wheel axle with a net weight of about 50 tons. The small axles don't have steering wheels, you can only move them with levers. Dull logo 12K plus HTHNG Reath picking, loading transport trailer, machine. The last step to complete is to install the chain covering the wheel. You can fix it in a position and then control the vehicle to move to complete the process. The Logo series is designed for timber up to 22 m in length, can be used in forestry, long-distance transport and off-road applications. The driver's cab can move up and down like an elevator with 2 connected hydraulic pads and a full 300 degrees rotation. Kierovert's K700 are pushing corn silage at the Angel Brichting biogas plant with twin tires and 4.9 m push blade. K700 with 4.35 m wide skid plate can reach several tons at a speed of 15 to 18 km/h after each full push. Grange Machinery 6M LDT and Dolbo Rolo Maximum preparing ground for sugar beet drilling. AT's more powerful tracks automatically tension each time a hydraulic function such as steering is used, and has a top speed of 17 miles per hour.